I'm gonna let them dry for 10 minutes and we'll come back and try them out. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KJ Top Notch back with a new video. Feels good to be back. And for today's title, as you seen as the thumbnail, I will be making pecan candy. Some people love pecan candy. If y'all haven't tried it, watch the video to the end. And you might like it when you make it or finish it, whatever. But we got it right here. You're gonna need your butter, you're gonna need your sugar, you're gonna need your pecans. It don't matter what pecans you use, walnuts better too. I prefer walnuts, that's me, but this pecans, so I'm just gonna be making it just so I can give y'all an example of how it comes out and how it tastes. So, first things first, you're gonna wanna put your fire in between. I got mine on the fire, that's why I keep mine at. But the very first thing you're gonna do is put 1 can in, 1 teaspoon of butter, and since I put 1 can in, we're gonna need 1 cup and a half. When you do all that, you're gonna want to stir it all up. So whenever you finish stirring it up, once the sugar is finished dissolving in it, sit down for maybe 5 minutes or 2. Come back and wanna keep stirring it. And use a metal spoon because you're gonna see why in a minute. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna set the spoon to the side, like let it simmer for a minute, and I'll catch y'all right in a minute. Okay guys, as you can see the pecan candy got more brown, and I have to turn the fire down because once you're in the beginning of it, stirring it up, you're gonna wanna have it on a real high fire, but when you at the last step of it, when it's real thick like this, you won't wanna cook it on a low fire because you don't wanna burn it. When it's like this, it burns real easy. So like the only way you'll know when you finish doing it is when everything is real stiff and you see how the pot is moving on its own too. Why stir it? Cause it's real thick. So we're just gonna put that camera to the side. We're gonna turn the fire all the way down to low. And we're gonna start dropping pecan candies. You know? You gotta put some at a time though. You don't want too many pecans in your candy. Hey guys, since I finished stirring it up, I'm gonna get some spray. Bruh. Perfect. Hey, as you can see, the process is finished, well done. And you can drop the pecan candy big or small. It don't matter how big you want to make it. You can make it any size you want. And And these comes as, you can sell them too if you want. I'm gonna let them dry for 10 minutes and we'll come back and try them out. Okay guys, as you can see, the process is completed. Now we is finna test one out to see the results that we had did. The thing is perfect. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.